That morning in Ronciglione, the light had that calm, golden tone that already told me it will be a good day. The drive itself felt like part of the experience. It was really amazing. It all was so peaceful. We took our time, stopping once or twice just to breathe in. And then suddenly there it was, Civita of Bagnoregio, rising from the valley like a dream, tiny, fragile and majestic all at once. You see it in pictures, but when you are actually standing there, looking at the long bridge and the cliff it's built on, it's something else. So it's €5 per person, so that's good. Then you have that checkpoint. What's the parking? Toilet. Oh, toilet.